Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to skip Samsung account setup screen on Samsung Galaxy A27. Okay, that's the thing that appears during the setup process. I'm in the beginning of it, so let me show you where it appears. Simply select your language, click on next once again, select that you agree, tap on next. Cool. I'm about to click on setup manually. There's some difference. I'm about to connect to the Wi-Fi also. Connect. Next. Now we gotta keep waiting. I don't want to copy any of my data, so I'll just click on don't copy. We can skip the Google account. That's not a necessary thing. Same thing with the screen lock. Skip anyway. Accept. Next, select your default browser and the search engine. And now you have this Samsung account setup screen. If you want to skip it, simply tap on forgot password or don't have account, and then click on setup later in the settings. Tap on this blue arrow again, click on skip, and that's how you can bypass it. Next. Next. Okay, we're all set up. We just need to click this button, home, and now we are ready to use our device. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.